Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today we're looking at property keyframes. So typically with Motion Tween, when you create a Motion Tween, in some instances when you drag or extend the frame, the path between each keyframe is not consistent or even, and how to rectify that. So basically, that is what the property keyframes will expose us to. So at the 1 second timeline, I'm going to insert a frame, and in between, I insert a motion tween, right? And I'll come to the last timeline and change position of the ball or the object on stage. So when that is done, you'll notice that we have this here working. Now, if I extend this a bit, you'll notice that this um, these are basically the objects on stage, but the distance between them is not evenly distributed. All right. So for us to evenly distribute the distance between all of them, I'm going to I'm going to click on in between the timeline here, or on this. I'm going to click in between anywhere between the first keyframe and the frame, and then I'm going to go to refine motion tween. So when I click on refine motion tween, you have this box pop up. So I'm going to drag up a bit. All right. So what I'm going to do is, assuming I want to insert a point, an additional point, I'm going to click on this here, add an anchor point. So I want to add an anchor point to this here. So at this playhead here, I want to insert an anchor point right there. Okay. So now an anchor point has been inserted. Once an anchor point is inserted, it means that I can change the way that object is going to flow, right? So you can see that there's a bit of a change right there. Now we can also do this for motion twins if you want to change, the way the shape actually looks like. Okay, so that is one way to go about it. Now we want the I'm going to do control 3 just to put everything in perspective, right? So you notice that again, though we've added an anchor point, the distance between the frames are not evenly distributed. So to get it evenly distributed, I'm going to right click on this again and go to motion path, and I'll click switch keyframes to revolving, right? So once I do that, they now get evenly distributed along the path. So basically, that is what property keyframes will expose us to. And so that brings us to the end of another video tutorial. So till we meet again, bye bye.